Hello guys, welcome to another SMC D Discord tutorials, and on today's tutorial we'll be discussing on understanding the role of bot in the Discord server. So you have been following the Discord series for quite a while, and today we'll be showing you how to what bots are really on Discord, right? So all you need to do is, like, if you've created your Discord online communities, that's your server for your businesses, you could add bots to them to improve your interactions with the members, as well as communications between members of your communities, as well as the team too. So in short, Discord bot is any bot added to a Discord server that automates tasks and are ordinarily performed by humans, such as sending private chats and text, orienting new members and users, and moderating interactions between members and more. You definitely need a qualified and experienced developer to create Discord bots for you. Or if you have, there's another alternative, which is using already created Discord bot. All you need to do is first get your Discord server up and running. As you can see, I have my Discord in here. If you haven't downloaded Discord yet or haven't started anything on Discord yet, I would have to revert you back to the beginnings of our Discord series. You'd get to understand how Discord works. So you could download Discord application from your App Store or your Google Play Store for Android users, and all I need to do is head on to my Discord application. And as you can see, this is the SMC DAO tutorial server. We have already set up the server. All you need to know is about bots and how to integrate them, which we'll discuss on all of this later on. Right? So how Discord bots work. All official Discord apps are developed using the same APIs as those used by bots. Therefore, it is pretty easy to run your bot inside or of normal user accounts, right? So Discord bots, they perform a wide range of tasks. Some are even all-purpose, that's multi-purpose, allowing you to automate different tasks on your Discord server. For instance, you could use your Discord bot to scan your servers for violations by users, assign engagement level to members of your communities, and completely ban users who violate your terms and conditions. So some Discord bots are designed to manage projects. Therefore, they are meant to integrate with other project management programs like Trello. So with this bot, you could incorporate Trello into your Discord server for project management purposes. We have different kinds of Discord bot. We have the Mi6 bot, we have the Quiz bot, we have the Rumble Royal bot, the Sledgehammer, the Dino bot, the Weak bot, and the Ticket tool. All you need to do is go into your browser. I'm using the Google Chrome browser right now, and you search for Discord bot. Now you have top.gg where you could see all your Discord bot lists. Those Discord bots I had to mention, which are the Mi6 bot, the Quiz bot, the Rumble Royal, the Sledgehammer, the Dino bot, Weak bot, and Ticket 2. You could find every bot in here, be it self-created bot by persons or bot recommended by Discord itself. You could see the sister bot Cypher, the General bot, which is an economic bot, Lunar Giveaway, Rectangle Radio, Joe Johnny, and Tunify. All you need to do is just click on any of them, log in, and it's going to redirect you to your Discord account for you to approve on this bot. All right, so I would search on the Mi6 bot in here, and you could see the Mi6 bot. So the Mi6 bot is more like a multi-purpose bot that does all functions on your Discord server. It's the number one Discord bot because it gives you full control to create your Discord server of your dreams, and it is very user friendly and easy to set up. You could use the Mi6 bot to play music on your Discord servers. You could use the Mi6 bot to host giveaways. You could use the Mi6 bot for reaction roles, which could help in your verification processes for persons getting into the Discord server. We also have the Quiz bot. We also have the Rumble Royal, which is a gaming bot. We also have the Sledgehammer bot, which is a verification bot, and your Dino bot, which is also a multifunctional bot. You also have your Ticket tool for support tickets for persons that open tickets to reach out to the team, and this will help in the smooth running of your Discord server. So I I hope you've learned a lot from this Discord episode. Do well to like and subscribe to SMC Tutor channel, and do well to comment if you have any issues. We get to meet again on our next Discord series. Bye for now. Thank you.